Now, there are many, many books that people read, and some of them are directed or speak to our bodies. I don't know whether you have that experience or not. That some of the books talk directly to our body. How beautiful you are, how sexy you are, what do you eat, and what is your health. All these things related to your body. There are books that are related to your emotions. Very interesting. I categorize these books in different layers. There are books that you read, it is all emotion. Fighting, hating, crazy things, jealousy, divorce, separation, marriage, etc., etc. It is all emotion, human emotion. Then there are books that really directly refer to your mind. It's logic, it is science, it is knowledge, it's data, it's totally mental. But there are few books that directly speak to yourself. They do not go to your body, they do not go to your emotions, they do not go to your mind, but they go directly to your spirit. And it is so interesting that if you read such a book that speaks directly to you, then you accept it immediately through your intuition and through the light of yourself. Now, these books are very rare. You see, when I am saying that it speaks to you, that's a very complicated thing to explain. For example, when I am talking now to you, some of you are listening it with your ears, some of you with your mind, some of you with your emotions, but some of you directly listening what I'm talking. If you are a self, you can listen through yourself. If you are a body, you listen only through your body. If you are emotional creature, you listen things emotionally. But if you found the thread of the self, then you self listens to it. What is yourself? It's just you, not your body, you. Now the Bhagavad Gita is a book taken from that huge book, Mahabharata. It's one of the chapters of that great book. It has maybe 144 chapters. And one of them is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavat means the Lord, the Master. Gita means the song, the Master's song, the song of the Masters, the song of the great Lord. So he is singing now. What he is singing? He is singing a great philosophy. I never know any book that can come close to this book. Now 50 years I'm reading, searching. No book can come equal to it. It's so deep, it's so beautiful. Now what are the main subjects that this book is talking? Now there are 5 subjects that he is talking, very essential. The self, the karma and incarnation, yoga, sacrifice, supreme self. These are 5 very important subjects. By the way, Bhagavad Gita is a source of great hope. Great hope. When you read it, you have hope. You have future. You have some kind of ecstasy. Bhagavad Gita never takes you down, because he doesn't talk about things that are down with him. He speaks about things in you that is up. And always he takes you up. He opens a future, a beauty, a bliss. And the most important thing Bhagavad Gita does, it really energizes you. Why it energizes you? Because energy in man is the self. When the self is stimulated and encouraged and really charges, you take that energy, bring it into your body. 1 verse, 2 verse, it changes. Actually, in the last paragraph, Bhagavad Gita says, that whoever reads this book in their homes or any place, the blessing of the great Lord comes to their home. So big. Now I'm going to make a preface. I mean, it's very philosophical, it's very deep. But I'm going to talk about these 5 subjects. First of all, we have the self. What is the self? Bhagavad Gita calls the self the indweller, the one that dwells in the body. Look how beautiful. It's so simple, and immediately you have a hope that you are not the body and you are going not to fall into the grave and somebody dumps everything upon you and you fail. Bhagavad Gita doesn't say so. Bhagavad Gita says the indweller in the body, the self, experiences in his life childhood, youth, old age, and then acquires another body.